Hey y'all, I got the front panel, which is actually the part away from your body. This is the part that will become the roll top. This is the mid panel. This is the pocket. This piece here is actually the very bottom of the backpack. Sorry about the weird angles. I think it's right. I hope it's right. Everything looks right, so I'll let you know. Now, let's see. I have finished up all of the panels. This first one is the front panel, which will be, both of these are the side panels. They'll be connected to this panel. And then all of it is connected to the back panel. That's hip belt, which goes through this, shoulder straps, one of the buckles. This actually goes up and becomes a Y strap and eventually connects to this. It goes down there. There's a padding in here. Let's see, what else we got? Not much else. These were my deal here, because sometimes I stand things up in the pockets and I want to be able to lash them down. So we're down to the final assembly. Yeah, we are down to that, which I'll let you look at that. So I'm getting down to the what I would refer to as probably the hard part, which is a lot of stuff to work with. Ciao.